So I want you to, yeah, rest your hands like this. So all I'm going to do here, I'm going to bring your head over, and we're going to push straight across like this. You're going to hear a little cracking sound through your neck.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Bring your chin up just a little bit towards me. There you go. Head here. Chin up a little bit. There you go. Okay. Perfect. How's that, okay?
Scared me a little bit.
Yeah. Did you ever do that before?
Yeah, but not since I had the neck broken.
Yeah.
To the side here.
Alrighty.
We're gonna do 1, 2. On this side. 3. There we go. All right, you tell me when.
That's good.
Is that okay there?
Yep.